Despite being solo in Banaras, I enjoyed it fullest, be its lane, ghats, best food, sweet, or drinks. Until a small interruption.
कौन है?
पुलिस आईडी चाहिए आपकी।
So there is an issue. The police came for the checking and they have issue about one entry. So they have some argument with the owner, and after that they have decided to lock this hostel for 15 days. The owner of this hostel has shifted me to the co-hostel.
Now I am staying in this hostel which is charging me half of the amount I was paying there. This building is around 300-year-old, recently converted to hostel. Say it funny or sad part, but I am the only one who is staying in this hostel as well. This is the female dormitory, and two things I am liking more about this hostel is one is this view and another is the terrace. From roof of my hostel,
I hear that someone is doing some music riyaz. So right now we are at the house of Chanchal Prajapati. तो आप बनारस घराने से हैं? ओके.
Kashi, also known as UNESCO City of Music. You will find music in every corner of Kashi. I was unsure about Kabir Chauraha in this pandemic, which is epicenter of Banarsi Gharana. Thanks to Chanchal, I experienced this Banaras of Banarsi Gharana in Kashi itself. I wish if I could put this entire video here, but that will be an hour long video. If you want to listen more of him, he has his own YouTube channel as well. After having conversation with Chanchal, I came to this temple. This is Batuk Bhairavnath temple. The reason I choose to come here, one, the Shiva is worshipped as infant here, which is Batuk. Second, as in a Bhairavnath temple, these dogs are part of this temple itself. I saw wine bottle were offered to Bhairav, and all the biscuit and breads offered to Batuk are given to these dogs. The harmony of people of Banaras with the animals somewhere touch my heart.
Look like that's Animal Beach. They are enjoying the winter sun.
As Banaras is full of surprises, I found something which you will never find in any other city.
So भैया ये सेलिंग भांग का लड्डू कैसे कैसे बनता है भैया? ये खाली भांग है तो इसमें मीठा मीठा कुछ नहीं मिलाते, कड़वा लगता है और लोग खाते हैं. हमारे पान के सामान है, रख लीजिए. Some भैया was selling bhang laddu. I have that with me. I will go in the room and I will taste it.
Just opposite to this bhang laddu shop, I saw this Rajbandhu sweet.
क्या स्पेशल है भैया आपका? मलाई गिलोरी.
They gave me all their specialty: malai giloyu, ras madhuri, chuda matar, bajra budhariya, and black carrot halwa. Everything was so unique and delicious. I can't explain everything here because I am a foodie, not a food blogger. The only thing I can say is
I have sweet tooth and I don't like the people who don't like sweets. The sweet surprise is that neither the Rajbandhu sweets or that bhang bhaiya, they did not charge me anything. Everyone at home, they were concerned about my security being in UP and Varanasi, but
I found it very safe. People are very kind and helpful here. But one more thing drew my attention here. That's something not to be mourned. It is a privilege. So I am heading towards a place which is known for death tourism. the hotel of death. This is Kashi Labh Mukti Bhavan. Kashi Labh, which means fruit of Kashi, that is moksha. Mukti means to be free. This place have 10 rooms which are given to free of cost for 15 days to the person who is near to end of his life. On the 16th day, if he is alive, he is requested to move out. It is believed that dying in Kashi leads to moksha. Thousands flock to the city either to die or to be cremated on Manikarnika Ghat, which is believed liberated them from the cycle of reincarnation. Initially, I found it little heavy, but as soon as I entered in the lane of Manikarnika Ghat, I saw people enjoying the life at the same time. Can you believe that hundreds of procession of morons happen every day in these lanes? People here accept death as the ultimate reality of life. It holds a great significance, especially at this time when we all are living in fear of death. Today I realize that Banaras is not a religious place. It is a spiritual place. It is not a place to visit. It is a place to experience. I was not feeling heavy anymore. I was at a certain peace. But what is special about this place?
Vishnu prayed here for Shiva, and Shiva himself came here.
Along with Parvati. Parvati earring fall at this place, so it got named Manikarnika.
Bodies not only from the Banaras but from all across the country comes here to be cremated.
Fire of cremation is continuously burning since ages and passed from one cremation to another. After Manikarnika, I walked further till the very end of the ghats. All were so beautiful and very less crowded.
These are Akash Deep. In Kartik month you will find these across the ghats. So the people after bathing in Ganga in the mass of Kartik, they put up the diya inside this basket and pull them on the bamboo stick. It is to be said that it is for our ancestor to guide our path.
By the time I reached to Gai Ghat, which is last in this side, sun was all set. I hired a boat to drop me at Dashwashmed Ghat for Ganga Aarti. I was in a hurry because it was almost time for Ganga Aarti, but
This boat has stopped working in middle of Ganga, and thing is that there is no other boat around because this time Ganga Aarti is going on. So we are still trying to figuring out how to go because no one is giving the lift as well.
by the time boat was fixed, Aarti was over.
After a long day, I'm wrapping my day for today. Only problem being here alone is that there is not many cafes and restaurant open on the ghat side because there are not many tourists at this time. So either you have to go in these lanes which look shady at this time, and second, there are so many stray dogs. So every day I am having my dinner here. Bunny Cafe, it is in same lane of Pandey Ghat, next to the co-hostel. It's very small but cozy place. I'm back at my room, and Bhaiya has given me this bhang ka laddu. He told me that try it after going to the room. Okay, this is the laddu.
At the first, it tastes like spinach ball. No taste, quite plain, kind of a raw spinach. It is little bitter or sour afterwards. Let's see. I just need to sleep, so I don't know how my body will react.
During New Year, there's so much happening on the ghat, but I'm moving away from the ghat. I'm searching for the lane of bunkers, the weavers. The Banarsi sarees are famous, but there are very few weavers left. ये भैया ये बुनाई के काम वाला.
My search for weavers turned out a very hard mission because there are very few weavers left. When I found some of them, either they were so old or they denied to talk in front of camera. After half day pass, I got this weaver.
ये आप साड़ी बुन रहे हो क्या?
It was so nice of him that he explained every fine detail of weaving, about the graph, about design, and about the threads. But the sad part is, this fine craftsmanship is dying a slow death.
अच्छा ये मशीन की
For
है.
many reasons, be machine taking over the men, Chinese silk over the real silk, and the demand and cost of the authentic silk sari. But the condition of weavers were quite opposite to the beauty of the sari.
Few weavers who were left, they also give up this job in this pandemic. So buy first the original authenticate handmade Banarsi sari, not for the polyester one.
We are back on the ghat to say the goodbye to 2020, but in Banarsi way.
I'm back from Ganga Aarti and I can't explain how it feels at the time of Aarti. Entire Banaras seems to be still at that moment, and energy is so high and so calm and peaceful at the same time. I can't capture that energy inside my camera, but one thing I can surely say, you can be atheist or you can be religious, but you can't ignore that energy and then calmness present at that moment.
I ended my 2020 with a small gratitude towards universe and ask for well-being for everyone in New Year.
This is 5 a.m. in morning. I can hear so much chanting all around. So I want to go to the ghat, but the problem is street here are so quiet and scary because there are so many stray dogs. So I am waiting here if anyone is coming and they can accompany me to the ghat. 5 a.m. in morning and we are heading towards Assi Ghat for the morning aarti, and along with me Amit is there. He is my guardian from dog today. Hello Amit. So we are going towards Assi Ghat. There is a program called Subah Banaras, so let's see how the morning look like in Banaras.
राधो भगीमान्
Subah Banaras is not only about Ganga Aarti, it's about Surya Vandana. Start your day with Vedic mantra. Everyone comes out to welcome sun. I have seen many sunrises, but not such warm celebration of sunrise.
I'm so glad that I'm starting my first day of year at this place.
It's no less than a magic how sun rays fell on Ganga and entire ghats turned into a big amphitheater. I saw musician, photographer, vlogger, peace seekers, and maybe no one like me come out to see this magic of Banaras morning. I completely draw in this magical morning that I decided to cancel all my plan for today and decided to sit just on bank of Ganga, soak as much as I can from this mystical place. I feel I have not done with the Banaras yet. It's just start of my love for this city. I will come back and keep coming back for its gullies, ghat, food or music. I will come back and keep coming back for its history, stories or many other things which I could not explore. But I will keep coming back.